On September 10, 2023, a significant event took place in Wanki Wasi, Sindh. It was a tribute to the iconic Hari leaders, Comrade Ghulam Hussain Leghari and Dada Bakhsh, organized by a coalition of Awami Workers Party, Sindh Hari Purhit Committee, Nari Jamhuri Mahaz Wanki Wasi, and others. A range of speakers representing various organizations came together to honor the enduring legacies of these two exceptional leaders. The event saw a massive turnout, with men and women from Wanki Wasi and surrounding areas participating with great enthusiasm. The program was gracefully hosted by Comrade Kubra Leghari, creating a fitting atmosphere for this meaningful gathering. Comrade Afzal Leghari, the son of Comrade Ghulam Hussain Leghari, extended a warm welcome to the esteemed guests. Distinguished figures like Comrade Mohib Azad from Sindh Sujagi Forum Hyderabad, Nisar Leghari, the Central General Secretary of the Purhit Resistance Movement, Taj Marri, the President of National Party Sindh, and journalist Ishaq Magrai, among others, shared profound insights into the political struggles led by these Hari leaders throughout their lives. The speakers highlighted how Ghulam Hussain Leghari and Dada Bakhsh devoted their lives to championing the rights of Hari workers. The event also welcomed Comrade Ghulam Hussain and Asif Zainer, representing a delegation from Shambar, underscoring the importance of commemorating these extraordinary leaders. The event in Wanki Wasi, Sindh, on that memorable September day was a heartfelt tribute to Comrade Ghulam Hussain Leghari and Dada Bakhsh, celebrating their unwavering commitment to the cause of Hari workers and their enduring impact on the community.